Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm sharing a very best rasam which is much apt for this winter season. This rasam is loaded with all the much needed spices, Indian spices, which really give a warmth feel during winter, and it is a very good remedy for a cold and cough. You can have it with hot steamed rice, the best remedy. Before we go into the video, let me first welcome everyone to Latu's Kitchen. If you're first time visitor here, not to forget to subscribe to the channel and do press the bell. And if you like the video, leave a like and share it with your social media network. If you find it useful, that really means a lot to us. Yes, today I'm sharing, you can as well call it as herbal rasam this. Loaded with Indian spices, the much needed ones which is really required to give a warmth feel during winter. How to make this rasam? Take a small cup of tur dal followed by preferable the country tomatoes, the round ones which has got little sour taste in it, than the Bangalore ones. 1.5 should be good enough. It is slightly sour. So as we're gonna as well add tamarind, add some curry leaves and pressure cook them for 5 whistles. These are the spices that we're going to dry roast. Little bit of tur dal, zeera 1 spoon, pepper 1 spoon, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic and small tablespoon of horse gram, coriander seeds. I've added some crushed coriander. Yes, you can add coriander seeds. 4 to 5 fenugreek seeds. All that dry roast and keep it aside. You can as well add dried neem leaves if you have in that. You can just dry roast all of them and keep it aside. In the meanwhile, once the pressure cooked dal and the tomatoes are cooked and cooled down, you can squeeze the tomatoes using your hand like this than the blender, because it always gives you a nice taste. They say every hand has got unique taste, so preferable olden days tradition, squeeze it with your hands, the tomatoes. Now this is the spices that I have crushed. Don't make it fine powder, just a crushed consistency is good enough. Now take a pan, add oil, mustard seeds, zeera, followed by the spice powder that we have added, and the tamarind water. Small size lemon size tamarind should be good enough. Soak it in water and take the pulp of it. Then add in this squeezed dal and the tomatoes. Add in some diced tomatoes as well. Coriander stems I'm adding. The stems have got more taste and flavor than the leaves. So I'm adding some stems as well at this stage. I will be of course finishing it with the leaves of the coriander leaves. That is towards the end. Now add in some hing, asafoetida and salt, required salt. If need be, you can add a little bit of jaggery if you like a little sweetish taste in your rasam, but I don't. Now, in general as rasam, you need to wait for the little bubbles to come around. Then you need to switch off. For dal rasam, this needs to be cooked well. Now finishing it off with some nice chopped coriander leaves. Trust me, this rasam is very good during winters. The reason being horse gram, pepper, garlic, zeera, all that will give you a nice warm feel if you consume during winter. Do try this recipe. Thank you for tuning into Latu's Kitchen.